Hi, my name is Alex, and in the last year, our team at BHP have developed Dash Maintainer Tools, which is changing the game in safety and productivity for mobile equipment maintenance teams. Imagine for a second that you're on a mine site in the Pilbara. It's hot, dry, and you're 5 days into your 2-week shift. It's 45 degrees and you're standing underneath the 400-ton excavator, which is still powered on and carefully propped up, balancing on its arm and bucket. You're here to measure the wear and tear on the bearing that keeps the whole machine together. You're halfway through your 10-hour shift. It's hot, and you're trusting that the person operating the machine, who can't see you, is on top of their game today. While there are controls in place to manage the risks, if anything goes wrong, the outcome could be dire. This is an example of a scenario that the women and men in heavy vehicle maintenance teams in every mining operation around the world face every day. Live work, the kind of work that's performed while machines are still powered on, is some of the highest risk work in our industry. And maintainers who do this work make up over 1/3 of the frontline workforce in a typical load and haul operation in mining. Dash doesn't just reduce the risk associated with live work, but eliminates it altogether. Dash allows our maintenance technicians to get the information they need without going close to heavy equipment. This means they are kept out of the line of fire. It consists of a sensor gateway, edge computing device, sensor fabric, and a Wi-Fi access point fitted to each heavy vehicle with a mobile interface that works on any modern mobile or tablet. Instead of being stuck under a 400-ton machine in 45-degree heat, our people on the front line can now get all the information they need while sitting in the air-conditioned comfort of their light vehicle up to 80 metres away. Plus, we've cut the time to perform this type of work by more than 75%. Dash was developed for maintainers by maintainers. Information about pressure, temperature, vibration, electrical, cooling, bearings, engine, oil, steering, and hydraulics is now available at the tap of a screen. Most of Dash's components are standard auto-electrical and mechanical equipment common in the industry and can be easily installed and maintained by auto-electricians and mechanical fitters that we already have at site without the need for specialist knowledge and training. It's scalable and can be rapidly deployed on heavy mining equipment all around the world. We've recently won the coveted Safety Excellence Award as a part of BHP's Global HSEC Awards. And we've also been awarded the 2020 Australian Mining IoT Excellence Award for the work of our blended team. We were recently visited by Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, to see how we're reimagining work with Dash. As a testament to how easy Dash is to use, even the CEO of Microsoft was able to undertake a slurring deflection test using Dash with no training whatsoever. We're changing the game for the women and men on the front line of our industry, empowering them with modern tools powered by IoT and cloud technology. We're excited to share our work with you today and look forward to the conversations about partnering and scaling this technology to make our industry smarter, safer, and better. Dash, live work eliminated.